So hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a bookmark in ArcGIS Online. So now let's get started. So a bookmark is a saved geographic location or the extent that allows a user to quickly navigate back to the specific view on the web map or the web scene. And the bookmarks are used to save the specific map views, including the zoom level and the map center for easy access during presentations, analysis, or map navigations. So now we're going to show you how to create a bookmark in ArcGIS Online. So now in the left hand section here, we have this option called bookmark. I'm going to click this option. So now we have this option called bookmark. So add a bookmark to your map and they will appear here. So now we're going to zoom into this particular country boundary, for example, United States. And now I'm going to add a bookmark here. And in the bookmark, I'm going to enter the title as USA. So now I have entered as USA and I'm going to click add. So now a new bookmark is created. Now similarly, I'm going to navigate to Australia here. I'm going to zoom in the Australia country so you can able to see that. So now I'm going to add another bookmark here. So I'm going to click this option called add a bookmark. So in the title, I'm going to enter as Australia. So now I have entered the title as Australia and I'm going to click this option called add. And again, I'm going to add another bookmark here. For example, I'm going to navigate to India, for example. So I'm going to create another bookmark. So I'm going to mention the title is India. And I'm going to click this option called add. And similarly, the fourth bookmark I'm going to create is I'm going to navigate to Africa. For example, I'm going to navigate to Africa here. So now we're going to create a bookmark, add a bookmark, and I'm going to mention this Africa. And I'm going to click add. And last, I'm going to create a bookmark for Japan. So we're going to navigate to Japan here. So now we can able to see. So we're going to create a last bookmark. So I'm going to add the title as Japan. And I'm going to click add. So now we have managed to create 5 bookmarks. So the advantage of using the bookmark, it basically saves time during map navigation. Let me show you that. So first I'm going to navigate to USA. I'm going to click the first bookmark called USA. So now we have navigated to USA. And second, I want to navigate to Australia. So I'm going to click the second bookmark, Australia. And similarly, I'm going to click India. And similarly, I'm going to click Africa. And last is Japan. So the advantage of using a bookmark, it specifically saves time during map navigation and useful for storytelling and analysis, workflow, or map presentations. So it enhances the usability for end user in shared or the published maps. So the bookmarks is basically a saved geographic location or the extent that allows the user to quickly navigate back to the specific view on the web map or the web scene. And this is how we can create a bookmark in ArcGIS Online. So in this video I have shown you how to create a bookmark in ArcGIS Online. So thanks for watching and make sure that you subscribe to our channel and give us a like.